Hello, students. Welcome to the next lesson of important questions and answers for your upcoming board examination. First question is: explain the method study and motion study as techniques of scientific management. Answer: method study. The method study technique of scientific management is conducted to find out the one best method or way of performing the job which keeps production cost minimum and makes maximum use of resources of the organization. And motion study. Motion study is conducted to determine the movements of workers when they are performing the job, to differentiate between productive and unproductive movements, for cutting down unproductive and wasteful movements, and to design suitable tools to minimize the unproductive movements of the workers. Question number 2: explain the relationship between planning and controlling. Answer: the relation between both the planning and controlling functions is explained as follows. Point number 1: nature and concept. Planning is the basic function of every enterprise. Planning bridges the gap between where we are standing today and where we want to reach. Controlling means keeping a check that everything is in accordance with the plan. Point number 2: planning and controlling are interdependent and interlinked. Planning and controlling functions always coexist or have to exist together as one function depends on the other. Continuous monitoring and check in controlling function makes it possible that everyone follows the plan. Point number 3: planning and controlling both are backward and forward looking. Controlling is backward looking because, like a postmortem of past activities, the manager looks back to previous year's performance to find out the difference from original planning is also backward looking. And planning is forward looking because plans are prepared for future. It involves looking in advance and making policy for maximum utilization of resources in future. And lastly, planning is prescriptive whereas controlling is evaluated. Planning is basically a process involving a lot of thinking. Controlling, on the other hand, evaluates or checks whether the desired cause of action is followed or not. Coming to the next question: what is a principle of management? Answer: a principle refers to a statement which reflects the fundamental truth about some phenomenon based on cause and effect relationship. And management principles are broad and general guidelines for decision making and behavior of managers.